Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Triple Berry Cobbler. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 375 degrees. Then in a large bowl, add equal amounts of raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries, or you can use any kind you like, and you can use fresh or frozen. Then add in the sugar and gently mix it in until it's combined. Then grease a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with nonstick cooking spray. Then pour the filling into the pan and spread it out until it's even. And set it aside for now. Then in a medium bowl, add in the flour, baking powder, sugar, and salt, and mix them together until they're combined. Then cut the butter into small pieces. Then add it into the dry ingredients. And rub it into the mixture using your fingers. Then add in the eggs and vanilla extract and mix them in until they're combined. Then add spoonfuls of the mixture all over the top of the berry filling in the pan. Then bake it in the oven for about 40 to 50 minutes or until the top turns a light golden brown color. And once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool slightly, and you can serve it while it's still warm if you like. And that's how to make Triple Berry Cobbler. Check out more of my videos here and subscribe to my channel here so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.